Today we're greeted by a garden that seems to emerge from the forest, a house that floats above the green canopy, almost transparent to the surrounding landscape. Built in Manaus, Brazil, Pupunha House borders a permanent preservation area. The landscaping was conceived as a direct dialogue with the Amazon rainforest. The garden expands into the interior, blurring the boundaries between nature and architecture. The arrival feels immersive, a walk through tropical vegetation filled with lush foliage, dense natural shadows, and vivid textures, creating a cool, humid microclimate. This invitation to greenery continues inside, where plants trace the circulation routes and weave through the spaces. The house was designed with deep respect for the terrain. Part of the existing vegetation was preserved, while native and adapted species were integrated to reinforce comfort, privacy, and biodiversity: calatheas, alocasias, heliconias, banana trees, and palms. On the facade, perforated elements, the iconic cobogós of Brazilian modernism, soften sunlight, protect against heat, and let the house breathe. Its typology is essentially a light volume resting on a grounded base. The structure appears to hover gently above the vegetation, as if suspended over the garden. Throughout the day, light and shadow shift constantly. The foliage projects comorbi beams of sunlight filtered through leaves, painting the materials concrete, glass, stone, with changing patterns. The interiors combine natural materials with selective transparency glass, concrete, and stone. Living areas open completely to the exterior through sliding glass panels that, when retracted, allow the interior to embrace the garden. At night, the panels close to ensure privacy and thermal comfort. Pupunha House is an architectural gesture that redefines living within the Amazon not by imposing form on the forest, but by allowing the forest to elegantly shape the form. It's an integration of design, nature, and well-being, creating a home that resonates with its surroundings and lives lightly within them.